Hey guys, this is a 2013 Nissan Murano SL. It is a rebuilt title, but was damaged a long time ago. It was front end damage. It's got two keys here. Start it up here for you. $104,906 on the miles. Your cruise control, heated seats, all your AC, backup camera. This does have the dual sunroof, all weather floor mats, leather seats, VIN number. It's got some good tread on these tires still. Few issues. This dash is not the prettiest thing in the world. So a little damage there. Bought one of these and I just can't find it, so hopefully I get it found, but see there's a scratch going on there. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.